Hey guys, my name is Victoria Bushman and this is my interactive whiteboard. I used the platform realtimeboard.com to make this, and it's just an activity on the three branches of government. The directions are, based on your knowledge of the three branches of government, drag the post-it notes below to the correct branch of the tree diagram. So basically I would just have students, come up to the whiteboard and drag each of these post-it notes into the correct branch. So for example, interprets the law would go under the judicial and so on and so on, and they could take turns, and just come up and kind of, drag a post-it note to which the one they believe goes where. This was really easy to make. First, when I first, made an account, I was pretty confused, a little overwhelmed. I kept zooming in and out by accident, but actually the whole zooming in and out thing is a really good benefit because there is so much room for students to add things as they want with a bunch of activities, so I could definitely see this being used in the classroom efficiently. I was able to draw this tree with this pen, which I thought was really cool because at first I was just going to kind of insert an image from Google, but then I just saw this pen option. I was like, wow, I really should just utilize that, and I did. So I drew the tree. It took a little bit, but I finally got the hang of it. I used the insert text box to insert the judicial, executive, and legislative branch, as well as the title and the directions. And my favorite part of this by far was the sticky note option. I used that for them to drag over. I just thought it was really cute because it does look like a post-it note, and I love all of the colors that you have. There's a lot of options, and I just thought it really added to the whiteboard overall. So I really liked this application, and I could see myself using it in my future classroom. So I really enjoyed it, and it was really easy to make. I mean, it was a little overwhelmed at first, like I said, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. So that's it.